Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data, so backup or snapshot first. Once done, open a terminal and refresh packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. This clears pending updates that block a release upgrade. Next, install Update Manager Core if missing, and check your current release with LSB release so you know the target. Make sure network and power are stable before continuing. Interruptions during a release upgrade can break the system. You now configure the updater. Edit /etc/update manager /release upgrades and set prompt to normal or LTS depending on whether you want interim or long-term releases. Once configured, disable PPAs and third-party repositories because they often cause package conflicts. Then run sudo do release upgrade. The tool will calculate changes and prompt you about services and config files. Read prompts. Choose to keep local config. You complete the process by rebooting the machine to load the new kernel and services, then verify the release with LSB release or cat/etc/os release. Once booted, refresh package lists and clean leftovers. Sudo apt update, sudo apt auto remove, and sudo apt auto clean. Re-enable third-party repos if compatible and reinstall proprietary drivers if needed. If something goes wrong, check /var/log/dist upgrade for errors and use the recovery console or a live USB to repair packages. Restoring your backup is the last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.